think victims stay in abusive relationships?
That's a really good question. So there's a lot of research related to that. It's important to note that statistically speaking, about 1 in 3 women will go through some form of domestic violence, and about 1 in 10 men, a stat that I looked at right before this filming, go through some form of domestic violence. So it is very common, and it's important for people to realize that, you know, it's happening to other people very frequently. You just need to figure out how to get out of the cycle. The cycle is why people don't leave the domestic violence type of relationship. So you'll start with, you know, the normal aspects of the relationship, but go through the different variations of control that the abuser has. Then you get to the abuse incident, where it could be that physical type of abuse. And then after that, there's a honeymoon phase where the person who perpetrated the abuse, or the abuser, you know, may try to sweet talk the other individual, let them know that they're going to change.
I won't do it again. You know, I'll change. I'll change.
And that's a lot of times what keeps the abused in the relationship. Fear of losing their home, fear of losing their children, fear of losing the financial resources that the abuser is possibly controlling. That's another reason. Shame. I mean, I talked about how common it was, because it's important for people to realize that they shouldn't feel ashamed. If it happens, it's not your fault.